name's James Maina, the accountant Kyanika 603. Here in Kyanika, we have a program whereby we mentor youth into leadership. We start by involving them in early training, whereby we take them to workshops that concern leaderships and they are trained. Then after that, we network with the IEBC who conduct election within our facility, whereby the youth are trained how to choose their leaders. Then after that, we have the president, and through doing that, we have seen that many youth grow up becoming good leaders. We are able to produce a member of county assembly, that is MCA, within our ward, that is Nzambane ward. We are able to produce assistant chief within our area. We are able to produce even ward administrator in our area.
Maofisa manzama ya unyuvani na mivaka wa IEBC ni matongo isiaise so ya ukunikula kwa amanyuwa la masuvia wani kundia Compassion International ilaye ungua kanisa wa ACK Kyanika ula wimwembetari Kitui cha umeloni wasua kauntini ya Kitui na valaise so ya ukuna wakura sia amanyuwa asu ya tuaiwa kanisani wa ACK Kyanika.
My name is Honorable Joseph Musokambite, MCA elected by people of Nzambane Ward to represent them in Kitui County. I want to share a brief story of my history. I am an alumni of Compassion International, specifically K603. I was a beneficiary number 0295, and I wanted to commend the good journey that I have walked with Compassion International since my levels of education from primary school, secondary school to university. I just stand to say that I stood a big chance to benefit from Compassion International simply because my fee was paid from primary, the tuition fee, secondary, my fee was paid, my mother didn't pay anything, then up to university until 2018 when I graduated. I would like to commend the good journey that they have walked with me. The PD, social worker then was Reverend Mulatia in absentia, and the accountant Maina and the patron. So they have been in the forefront in terms of motivating me, encouraging me and telling me it is doable. No matter the background where I come from, I believe in myself. I believe that I can do it, and here I am today because I am a product of K603. The many things that they have done in my life, I am a testimony today. Being an MCA of Nzambane Ward, if it wasn't for Compassion International holding my hand through education, through facilitating me to attend different workshops of leadership, I am truly indebted to whatever they have done in my life, impacted me in different ways, and therefore I want to thank them for the journey they have walked with me, and I commend them, and I would wish even in the near future to hold another beneficiary like they did to me, so that at least we can have many leaders as possible coming from the Compassion International.